Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this. This is StoneStream. This was sent to me for review. What this is a shower head, because that's what we're doing today. Yeah, I'm shaking this like crazy. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up the box and talk about it. Okay, so in the box we've got the universal shower filter. We've got the attachment here. See, there's the attachment. We've got these stones, the hose, and the shower head itself, which looks like this. So now that I've shown you what is in the box, let's go ahead and talk about it. Let's see, it's got this pamphlet. It says, welcome to your new shower. Better for you, better for the planet. More power, less water, huge savings. So this is supposed to be eco-friendly. It says, congratulations. You are a few steps away from saving water and having a delightful shower. We make a difference. Welcome, you're now part of the eco revolution. From the moment you install a new StoneStream shower head, you instantly start saving water. StoneStream shower heads reduce shower water consumption by up to 35%. In the average household, StoneStream shower heads can save 46,000 liter or 12,152 gallons annually. Now that's progress. And it says warranty. We are happy to offer a hassle-free, returns-free full-year warranty on all our shower head models. Our warranty starts from your delivery arrival date. No need to activate it or register anywhere. In addition, if you find a flaw in any of our shower heads, not only that, we'll send you a new one right on the spot. You won't have to return the faulty shower head back to us. If you found an imperfection in your shower head, please contact our team. It says, warning, important warning, the stop button is not compatible with electric showers and is potentially dangerous to use with electric showers. Okay. Getting to know your StoneStream shower head. Okay, it gives you instructions on how to install, how to replace the hose, and replace your stones. Okay, so let's see here. Maintenance gives you directions on how to maintain it. It says, mix white vinegar and water in a bowl or pour into a plastic bag. Detach your StoneStream shower head from your shower hose. Wall adapter, soak your StoneStream shower head in the vinegar solution or put the plastic bag around the shower head so that the holes are immersed in the vinegar water. Preferably soak your shower head in the vinegar water overnight, but if you don't have the luxury, we recommend you soak it for at least 1 hour. Take your shower head out of the vinegar solution or remove the bag around it and wipe away the limescale deposits. Reconnect your StoneStream shower head back to its hose. Okay, so that is all it says about that. I know the website said a little bit more about the stones, so let's go ahead and pull that up on the phone real quick. Okay, it says, our new mixture of geranium stones will soften hard water into natural spring-like water. The new filtering stones mixture is tested to significantly reduce chlorine bacteria in dirt. So that is wonderful. So let's see here. I am going to use this for a week, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to tell you about my experience with this and let you know my thoughts on it. Alright, so I have used the shower head a little over a week now, and to my surprise, I did notice a difference. The water did not feel as hard, which I didn't realize you can feel the difference between hard and soft water, but apparently you can. And surprisingly, my hair does feel softer, my skin does feel softer. Not really sure I completely understand how that works, but that totally happened. Now the shower head itself on the top side, and I didn't record actually using the shower head or anything like that because I kind of thought to myself, you don't really necessarily need to see water come out of the thing, and I honestly was having difficulties filming, so I'm just going to insert some pictures as we talk about this. So the shower head itself has a stop button, so you can actually turn it off if you need to adjust anything. And on the side of the shower head, you have it where you can adjust the water to 3 different modes. The first one is jetting, the second one is rainfall, and the third one is massage. And you can remove that. And it did have a lot of pressure, so if you're concerned about getting this and, you know, having water pressure, because that is a concern for me when I'm looking at water faucets and shower heads that say that they're going to reduce cost of water, and somehow they're supposed to have more water pressure, because I mean, kind of wonder how that works. It's kind of confusing to me. Don't really understand it. I don't need to understand it, but I can tell you that it definitely did have water pressure, and it was very soothing. I really enjoyed it. It feels really, really, really good. So if you are interested in the shower head, I will have the link below for you, and I hope you do check it out. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think of the shower head. Is this something you're going to be trying? And if you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.